This video is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process of how Otto AI will works for you. Open the Investmates app to the home screen and click on drop-down at Ind region. Select the region USA. Click on Otto icon at the bottom navigation. Now you are on the landing page of Otto and click on Get Started button to view the functionalities of Otto. Click any one of the default questions to check the response given by Otto. Click the button shown in the screen to go to the end of the page. Click the three dots present at the top right corner to view other options like FAQs, history, saved chats. Click the FAQs tab and you will be redirected to FAQs section where you can find all queries. Upon clicking the FAQs tab, the following screen will be displayed. Now activate personalization, and let Otto craft a wealth experience designed around your life. As shown on the screen, click on the icon to set up Otto your way with quick personalization. Start by securely linking your bank accounts. Otto consolidates all your finances in one place, giving you a complete and transparent view of your money. Select the asset to link or add manually and complete the process. Next, define your risk profile. By understanding your comfort with risk, Otto can recommend strategies that align with your financial personality. Set your financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, building wealth, or planning for retirement. Otto structures a path to help you achieve them. To know how to set up goals, you can watch product tour video for creation of goals. Finally, with personalization, Otto adapts to your lifestyle, habits, and aspirations, delivering guidance that is uniquely yours. This is where Otto truly becomes your wealth co-pilot. In this step, you can provide the details in the input field and save as shown on the screen. Thank you for exploring Otto. It will help you personalize your financial journey by linking portfolio, setting goals, managing risks, and providing expert guidance, empowering you to achieve greater confidence and control over your wealth.